and League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fort Bend County, northern Brazoria County, and south central Harris County until 4:30. At 3:58, a severe thunderstorm was located over Greatwood or near Richmond, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Golf ball sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts are associated with this storm. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, western Pearland, Sugar Land, Missouri City, eastern Rosenberg, Stafford, Richmond, Town West, Pecan Grove, First Colony, Fresno, Mission Bend, Meadows Place, Arcola, Thompsons, Westbury, New Territory, Westwood, Four Corners, Alief, and West Chase. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 4:30 for northeastern Fort Bend County, northern Brazoria County, and south central Harris County. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for further updates on severe weather conditions.